technology, we should be discussing those cases uh, which are very current, and you all are concerned with this. Even if we are connecting with each other, so we are connecting because of the technology.
Yes, sir.
And if suppose technology is not there, we cannot get connected. So therefore, and of course, the innovation is, very important to know. And practically, we should know. We should not simply be knowing that what is innovation and what is creation and what is these sort of things. Yes, we should know definition and other things. But we must know that any example, any case study, and therefore I selected Steve Jobs, that uh, iPad, which then you went through, and it was a very long case, and it was not easy for all of you to find the answer and to write the answer. But I appreciate, right, mostly you are having different approaches to find out the answers from that case. So it was a good experience, and I think you must have learned a lot as well.
यस सर, ऑफ कोर्स। वैसे भी आपको पता है सर, इस टाइम मतलब ब्रांड ही मतलब आईफोन जा रहा है, उसके बारे में जितनी इन्फॉर्मेशन मिला है वो ज़्यादा ही बेटर है। और ये आईपैड की भी काफ़ी पता लगा है उसके बारे में, कि फर्स्ट से ले गए सेकंड और न्यू जनरेशन में उन्हें कितना मतलब सारा उन्होंने डिफरेंस करके फीचर्स में, हर चीज़ में काफ़ी।
And you might have seen that the historical background is given 1993, and then this is called innovation. Innovation, in fact, keep as the time goes by, right? The company is always keeping their eyes, on future. That and for future, of course, that innovation is very important. If you are not having this policy of innovation, then your existence in the market is very difficult. And you think you saw that many big organizations and corporations, they have finished and themselves, and they don't have anymore their existence in the market.
यस सर।
And also, he has mentioned G1, G2, G3, and G4, and IP 1, 2, 3. And anyway, I was watching and going through the way you have attempted that case studies there. So it's nice anyway. So other have also joined us. How are you, children? You are always late. Why is that? कमर है, किन्जा है, राइट? मैं बाकियों को भी चेक करूं। अब आप लोगों की यू मस्ट नो कि अब आप लोगों की अटेंडेंस जो है वो होती है। And I'm also recording all lectures for you people, that whatever we delivered and whatever we discussed, that must be in the record, so that you should not be much inconvenient to understand. So Heather Shahzad is also there. Heather is there. Muhammad Ammar.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम सर।
वालेकुम। अम्मार, क्या हाल है?
सर ठीक, आप सुनाएं।
Okay, how did you attempt your case?
सर मैंने आज ही सबमिट करवाया है।
Therefore, it was not there. Your about 14 cases we have received so far, and 13s were just assigned and they did not turn up. Anyway, one should do. And you might have read my message, which I sent to you in the morning.
नो सर।
Why didn't you read it? It was me to remind you, read my message.
नो सर।
Desha, you never read my message, which I used to send to you?
सर उठे ही आप लेट हो गए थे।
नहीं, it is not of today. It is also in the past.
यस सर, वो तो हमें लेक्चर का तो पता है कि इस टाइम पे लेक्चर होता है, इस टाइम अलार्म लगाया हुआ था उठ के टाइम पे। सुबह
What should
वाला
I?
मैसेज नहीं देख सके थे।
Okay, okay. It will be in your mind. Oh, 1 घंटा आज
यस
पहले
सर।
लेक्चर है, चलना है सर का लेक्चर अटेंड करें हैं.
यस सर।
Okay, that's good. And Heather is also there. Is he on the line?
जी सर।
So where did you go? I called you before, Ammar. How did you attempt your case? Anyway, Kamar is also there.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम सर।
वालेकुम अस्सलाम. क्या हो रहा बेटे?
ठीक हूँ, आप कैसे हैं?
मैं बिल्कुल ठीक हूँ. कितने केसेस जो हैं वो आपने अटेम्प्ट किए हैं? ऑल 3, 1 और 2?
सर 3 थे और मैंने आपको पीडीएफ में भेजे थे।
Don't ask me. I have already seen the cases you sent to me, but just I am asking you.
यस सर, आई हैव अटेम्प्टेड ऑल 3।
मैं यही पूछ रहा हूँ ना कि आपको भी पता है कि नहीं, ये ना हो कि मुझे ही पता हो कि आपने कितने केसेस भेजे.
नो सर, आई हैव अटेम्प्टेड ऑल 3।
How was your experience with regard to that?
सर इट वाज वेरी गुड, काफ़ी नॉलेजेबल था। मैंने काफ़ी रिसर्च की थी इंटरनेट से। वो जो मोस्टली जो डीएफजे इंडिया वाले क्वेश्चंस थे, उसके लिए मैंने काफ़ी रिसर्च करके उनकी प्रॉपर वेबसाइट पे जाकर मैंने वहाँ से रीड करके आंसर्स को फाइंड किया था। काफ़ी इंफॉर्मेटिव था।
नहीं, which one case you are talking about?
सर जो एंटरप्रेन्योरियल वाला था
Okay,
हमारा।
and okay, and what about innovation case?
सर इनोवेशन केस का भी कुछ आंसर्स तो हमें केस में से ही मिल गए थे और
वो मिलने वहीं से थे.
यस
हाँ,
सर।
हाँ,
और
लेकिन I'm very
बाकी
happy.
तो
I'm very happy. Few of you, not all, but few of you also attempted. Other than that, you gave your concept as well, and it was a very satisfaction for me. That because innovation mean that you should have a creative idea. If you don't have creative idea, and if you are not able to give some idea innovative, suppose look the idea, the innovation start from the new idea, and then things are being made, in a tangible shape. And what about the case, spirituality?
सर स्पिरिचुअलिटी का जो मोस्टली था वो हम लोगों को नो हाउ है इन आवर डेली लाइफ एज वेल। तो हम लोगों ने उसको कॉन्सेप्चुअली भी उसको अंडरस्टैंड करके लिखा और केस स्टडी को भी जब हम लोगों ने उसको पढ़ा था तो उससे भी काफ़ी हमें आइडिया हुआ, जिसके अकॉर्डिंग फिर हम लोगों ने आंसर्स लिखे थे।
Can I ask all of you who are online right now, do you have your cases which you submitted to me with you right now? Open
सर
it,
आया।
open it. Yes, open your laptops and keep those all cases before you, because when I'm going to discuss with you, so we should be learning a lot. It is not some sort of things that the answer is there and the question is there. We should be learning a lot by discussing, because everything will be included in that cases. And you know that was very market oriented case. Innovation, whether it was on innovation, whether it was on entrepreneurship, right? Whether it was about the global scenario. So all the 3 cases, and our book is also is being we are discussing business management, in the perspective of global scenario and also innovation and also entrepreneurship. Same is that I have already told you that University South Asia has its a campus that is, I think, the unique campus in Pakistan, which name is only Center of Entrepreneurship and Innovation. And therefore, we want that if we are the future managers, we should know that how things can be handled when we are going to have innovation policy, how things will be managed when we are going to start a new business as well. So therefore, I also selected these three cases for all of you. So you are talking about the spirituality. So what did you write? Come on, I'm asking you.
So let me read it out for you.
Okay.
In spirituality, I've read that it's a broad concept with room for many perspectives.
Okay.
And in general, it includes a sense of connection to something bigger than ourselves. And
Okay.
it typically involves a search for meaning in life.
Good. Right. Then sometime a human. One thing we must keep in mind that we all are human, right from the security guard to the MD. One thing is there, right? And who is showing spirituality? And spirituality must take place. This you are talking about. And sometime human, he or she is going to think that what's my life is and what I'm doing. So I think it was very, it must be interesting for you people. And what you
Yes.
further wrote, what was the second question with regard to spirituality?
So it was the question was, could spirituality affect ethical behavior?
Yes,
And
yes.
I wrote spirituality is a significant predictor of workplace ethics.
आपने सवाल किया है ना, तो वो मेरे जो अब मुझे तो ये चीजें सारी आपको देर जुबानी आपने अभी सवाल जबरदस्त किया है कि देयर इज स्पिरिचुअलिटी, डज इट हैव इम्पैक्ट ऑन एथिकल बिहेवियर? मेरा ख्याल है ये क्वेश्चन था,
Yes, sir.
right? So okay, and keep reading and keep discussing.
The slope for spirituality was statistically significant and was positive, providing evidence of a positive relationship between spirituality and workplace ethics.
Okay.
Spirituality apparently has an important role to play in the determination of ethical beliefs concerning behaviors at work. People who exhibit a higher degree of spirituality have more of a tendency to view ethically questionable behaviors as wrong compared to those who exhibit a relatively less spiritual nature. People who are more spiritual then may be less likely to engage in manipulative behavior at work, to conceal errors at work, to falsify reports, and to engage in other such unethical behaviors.
And what? Okay, that is and what was the next question with regard to spirituality?
So it was, is this topic appropriate for business?
Yes. तो उसमें क्या लिखा आपने?
So I wrote, yes, this topic is appropriate for business. Spirituality is more of a process than an end. It is about how things are performed instead of just achieving goals. The development of an individual and building on creativity
Yes,
will
sir.
naturally.
Okay, hold on. What a beautiful sort of idea. Not necessarily that you are living in this world, achieving your goals. It is beyond the goal as well, right? Okay, how much good person you are, and how much you believe in such type of things. That was good. And what is next?
So next is, what are the arguments for and against inclusion of spirituality in business?
Okay, what was the answer of that?
Sir, in favor, I wrote some companies such as Taco Bell, Pizza Hut, McDonald's, and Xerox paid attention to the spiritual needs of their employees, claims an increase in productivity, decrease in turnover, and reduction in fear. That was my first point. And in second point, I wrote employees in companies that integrate spirituality in their workplace count on the potential benefits of greater respect for individuals, more human treatment for their fellow workers, and an environment with greater trust that permeates their organization. And in against, I wrote spiritual conflicts arising from the clashes of people from various religions in the workplace can be the con of spirituality at the workplace.
Okay, okay. Just a bit. What was the historical background of the case on innovation? iPad.
So it was about Apple company
Yes, yes,
who
good.
was invented by late Steve Jobs,
Okay,
and it was Apple company was very dynamic, constantly changing business plans. It has constantly changing business plans, and Apple originally started as just another company, but Jobs always knew that it was meant for much bigger things. Apple had to expand its offering if it was to grow.
okay. G. Okay, that's good. That's good. That's good. And who else is voluntarily would like to uh, discuss his case if he or she has his or her laptop before him or her? Should I ask, or they themselves? Okay, Haider Shehzad, you have also written in a different way. Where is Haider Shehzad? Why are you feeling hesitation, Haider? छोड़ दो. Okay. Arslan?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What about you? How many cases did you attempt?
तीनों की है सर, लेकिन ज़्यादा रिसर्च फर्स्ट पे की थी.
Which one?
एप्पल iPad.
Okay, okay, okay. Talk about that. What was the answer of the first question? You should have your case before you.
Sir, Apple has been so successful. Yes, sir.
Whatever you have,
Apple has
okay.
Apple has been so successful because the way the Apple promotes its product is different than any other company. First of all, they work for visual beauty of their product more than anyone. All their product have smooth surface and comfortable hold and individual color.
Okay, that's good. That's good. Another. And what was the answer of second question?
सर एक मिनट वो सर वो पेज रीलोड हो गया है.
किन्जा है? किन्जा नजर आ रही थी इतने में.
यस सर, अस्सलाम वालेकुम.
हाँ बेटा, क्या हाल है? ठीक हो?
ठीक हूँ, आप कैसे हैं सर?
मैं ठीक हूँ. You have submitted your cases or not?
Yes, submit.
So which one you would like to discuss? On innovation or entrepreneurship or global scenario?
So the innovation. I like to do innovation.
Okay, okay. Do you have your case before you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, start telling me the answer of first question.
One major reason for Apple's success is dynamic, constantly changing business plans, job, internally study the market, and
No,
try
no,
to.
no. First of all, let me know, please. Uh, what was the question? What did I ask?
So
What was the question?
why has Apple been so successful? What are Apple's strengths?
All right, all right, all right. Okay. Then what have you written?
One major reason for Apple's success is dynamic, constantly changing business plans, job intently study the market and try to satisfy the of the audience. Apple originally started as just another computer company, but Jobs always knew that it was meant for much bigger thing. Our
Okay.
strength में है sir Apple excellence is creating marketing sir.
Okay.
Its superior advertising capability, premium quality product, and ability to deliver an excellent customer experience has allowed the company to build in strength.
Okay. And what was the second question?
What are the features of Apple iPad and especially iPad 2 that make the tablet so successful?
Okay. So talk on the features of that Apple iPad.
The device is very thin. In fact, it is 33% thinner, 8.8 millimeter than the original iPad and weight only 1.3 pounds. It has rear and front facing camera.
Can you can you speak in a way that feature number one, number two, number three,
Okay, sir.
right? It will
Feature
be
number
it will be more appropriate to understand rather
okay, sir.
than you are reading like an essay because you have given the points. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, you have given the points. Feature number one, feature number two, feature number three, feature number four. Okay. So
Okay, sir.
let me know what was the feature number one you have mentioned there.
The device is very thin. In fact, it is 3.3% thinner, 8.8 millimeter than the original iPad and weight only 1.3 pounds.
These were
Feature.
the yes, these were the specification, okay,
Okay.
of their iPad, right? And therefore, it was named as tablet. They made tablet to beat. Okay, it was their iPad 2. If we are going to
Yes.
beat the competitors, and we should be able to capture the market. And you must have mentioned in the further question what was asked in the third question.
What are the weaknesses of the iPad and what features should be added?
Okay, and what was that?
Uh, First weakness are fast 4G connections, but it has 4G in the iPad 3 called the new iPad and CD card slot. It has a major weakness of iPad and USB connection, a flash port, the best camera possible, but it greatly improved in the next generation.
Yes. How did you find? What was your experience? Did you enjoy? Did you see that it was the current case, and this we need,
Yes,
and we
sir.
must discuss about this
Sir,
because now the market of technology is there. So okay,
एप्पल का जो आईपैड उससे काफ़ी सारी इन्फॉर्मेशन मिली है सर उसको काफ़ी सारी रिसर्च की थी एप्पल के आईपैड के बारे में और जो थर्ड केस था हमारा उसके बारे में काफ़ी रिसर्च की थी क्योंकि उसके क्वेश्चंस ना काफ़ी प्रॉब्लम कर रहे थे वो काफ़ी प्रॉब्लमेटिक था जो हमारा थर्ड केस था तो उसके आंसर काफ़ी ढूंढने में प्रॉब्लम हुई थी
relevant to this case. What other companies did you search on? Google or some other के अगर ये एक case है, so how should we
yes
discuss this one with regard to the competitors of that?
सर काफ़ी रिसर्च की थी इनोवेशन के बारे में भी और जो स्पेशली जो हमारा लास्ट थर्ड केस था उसके बारे में क्योंकि वो काफ़ी प्रॉब्लम कर रहा था
Okay, but many cases, I think you are having the group. The similarity I found in 4 to 5 you people attempted the cases. तो आपने फॉन्ट भी एक ही लगाया हुआ था आप लोगों ने, और उसके आंसर भी तकरीबन मिलते जुलते थे।
सर नहीं, मतलब हमने तो केस कर लिया था, और मैंने कमर ने हंसने आपको काफी पहले ही सेंड कर दिए थे अपने केसेस, मतलब आपने जब कहा था जब।
हाँ, मैं आदमी दोनों में बड़ा फर्क है। वैसे कमर के केस में, आपके केस में मैंने देखा है उसका। आप ये देखें ना, मैं आपके साथ लाइव हूँ, लेकिन वो जितने भी केसेस आए थे आई वेंट थ्रू, तो उसमें
सर हम लोग भी होते हैं, हम लोग कॉपी नहीं करते। कमर, मैं, सलमान, हम लोगों ने मतलब पढ़ना होता है, उसके बाद हम तभी अटेम्प्ट करते हैं कोई चीज, अदरवाइज।
यस, लुक इट इज गुड। ठीक है, बाकी लोगों ने भी, आई वांटेड ऑल ऑफ यू टू मेक एफर्ट्स, राइट? अटेम्प्ट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, हार्ड वर्किंग इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, enthusiasm is very important. What result will be there? This is a world of competition. Here is a world of competition, right? And you must enhance creativity. If you all recall my lecture, which we discussed innovation and creativity, and we saw creativity was having certain basis, right? को आइडिया कहाँ से जनरेट होता है और उसका प्रोसेस क्या है। तो हम उसके आपको पता है सब कॉन्शियसनेस पे गए, कि बंदे को पता ही नहीं होता कि उसके कॉन्शियस के कहीं, सब कॉन्शियस में कहीं कोई ना कोई चीज पड़ी होती है। और फिर हमने उसका जो अगला बेसिस पढ़ा था वो था कि इंट्यूएशन, राइट? फिर वो आइडिया जो है वो ऊपर आता चला जाता है, फिर उसके कॉन्शियसनेस में हम आ जाते हैं, लॉजिक में आ जाते हैं, और फिर उसके बाद एक चीज जो है वो हम लॉजिकली, टेंजिबली लोगों को दिखाते हैं कि ये, सपोज नाउ वी आर सफरिंग फ्रॉम दिस कोरोना वायरस and this COVID-19, if you have in mind that now is a competition among the big powers, China and Israel and America and England. No, they are now competitors. Okay, who will be the first one, right, to launch vaccine for the remedy of this coronavirus? But this is what जो हम कहते हैं ना, एज ए नेशन या एज एन इंडिविजुअल, और हमारी एड भी चल रही है कि डरना नहीं है, लड़ना है। तो हम कैसे लड़ रहे हैं? लड़ना इसका तो मतलब ही नहीं होता कि हम जनाब घर बैठे हैं और हम अपने आप को, लड़ने का मतलब यही होता है द नेशंस आर फाइटिंग। हाउ मेनी लाइव्स हैव बीन सफर्ड इन अमेरिका? हाउ मेनी लाइव्स, स्टिल hundreds and thousands people are being died in England and America and other these developed nations. But alongside, they are in a competition that who will first launch the vaccine in the market so that coronavirus must be treated well. So this is sort of things के इसी को हमने मैंने इसी केस स्टडी को इसलिए लिया था कि इनोवेशन है, आप बच्चे हैं, आप पढ़ेंगे, उसको देखेंगे यार कि दुनिया में क्या होता है और इसकी एक टेक्नोलॉजी कैसे डेवलप हुई थी। What we are doing, we all know how to operate the laptop. We know how to operate the technology, but we don't know who were behind this technology. And of course, that the person was very creative and very innovative. There is no second opinion. Steve Jobs, and he died at the age of 56 years. No more. और उसके स्टीव जॉब ने मरते हुए भी कुछ चीजें कही थी 8 या 9। तो उसमें उसने कहा था कि look, if you are flying in an aeroplane, right? So whether you are with a ticket of business class or whether you are a ticket with economy class, it makes no difference. You are traveling the same, destination is the same, the plane will be landed, right? उसमें जो भी आपको मामला होना है, तो we all having the same. So उसने ह्यूमैनिटी को बड़ा ही डिस्कस किया है। जो मैंने आपको दूसरा केस दिया हुआ है वो है स्पिरिचुअलिटी के ऊपर। और स्टीव जॉब के मरने से पहले वो जो 8 या 9, आई डोंट रिमेम्बर एग्जैक्टली, कि जो उसने बातें कही हुई हैं वो बहुत जबरदस्त है। आई ट्राई टू फाइंड, मेरे पास है मोबाइल, तो मैं आप लोगों से डिस्कस भी करता हूँ। एनीवे, इट वाज वेरी गुड। तो आई एम वेरी हैप्पी दैट यू आल्सो सर्च्ड other than your this case. And have you attempted the case of spirituality in a global
Yes, sir.
perspective? What was that?
Some 1 minute, please.
निकालो अगर आपके पास है।
जी सर। Yes, sir.
ओके, बताओ व्हाट वाज द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन?
What does spirituality mean to you? To
ओके,
me,
अब इस पे
spirituality
ओके, अब इस पे कंसंट्रेट करो कि व्हाट वाज दैट स्पिरिचुअलिटी?
spirituality is about seeking a meaningful connection with something bigger than yourself, which can
ओके,
result
ओके, पढ़ती
which
जाओ ना।
which can result in positive emotion such as peace or
Whether the house we
contentment,
live in
graduating,
is 3,000
acceptance.
square feet, loneliness is the same. You will realize your true inner happiness does not come from the materials of this world. Whether you fly first or economy class, if the plane goes
this is
down,
what I
you
have.
go down
I have.
with it.
Are you?
Therefore, I hope you realize when you have mates, bodies,
No, these are. I'm just going to show you, right? If you could be able to hear the voice of that person, he's talking about the Steve Jobs' last words before his death. Let me try if you can.
whether the house we live in is 300 or 3,000 square feet, loneliness is the same. You will realize your true inner happiness does not come from the material things of this world. Whether you fly first or economy class, if the plane goes down, you go down with it. Therefore, I hope you realize when you have mates, buddies and old friends, brothers and sisters, who you chat with, laugh with, talk with, have sing songs with, talk about north, south, east, west, or heaven and earth. That is true happiness. 5 undeniable facts of life. 1. Don't educate your children to be rich. Educate them to be happy. So, when they grow up, they will know the value of things, not the price. 2. Best awarded words in London, eat your food as your medicines. Otherwise, you have to eat medicines as your food. 3. The ones who love you will never leave you for another because. Even if there are 100 reasons to give up, he or she will find one reason to hold on. 4. There is a big difference between a human being and being human. Only a few really understand it. 5. You are loved when you are born. You will be loved when you die. In between, you have to manage. Note, if you just want to walk fast, walk alone. But if you want to walk far, walk together. 6 best doctors in the world. 1. Sunlight. 2. Rest. 3. Exercise. 4. Diet. 5. Self-confidence. And 6. Friends. Maintain them in all stages of life and enjoy a healthy life. God loves you.
Okay, how was that? आवाज आ रही थी आप लोगों को?
यस सर।
हेलो, देखें कि अब ये दोनों कनेक्टेड थे। स्टीव जॉब है, उसका हम केस पढ़ रहे हैं इनोवेशन पे, लेकिन इंटरनली आप अगर देखें, दिस आई वांटेड टू कनेक्ट विद दैट। जो मैंने आपको सेकंड केस दिया हुआ था वो स्पिरिचुअलिटी के ऊपर था। लुक हाउ मच ही वाज रिच पर्सन। तो व्हेन ही वाज ऑन द बेड, राइट, आप अंदाजा लगाएं हाउ मच ही वाज रिच पर्सन, हैविंग ऑल डॉलर्स अराउंड, बैंक बैलेंसेस, लेकिन वो मरने से पहले जो आपको टिप्स दे के जा रहा है वो कौन से दे जा रहा है कि वी हैव टू टीच अवर children that it is not the price, it is the value of the product. राइट, एंड सो मेनी अदर थिंग्स अब आपके पास रिकॉर्ड में आ गई हैं, आप इसे देखें। तो हम इसके अलावा देयर इज नो लाइफ माय चिल्ड्रन, even you see that I am approaching 65 years of my age. So my rich experience also, uh, uh, because everybody is trying to be satisfied. Everybody is trying that how can he or she get satisfied. But you might have seen so many people, but they are not satisfied. Having all luxuries around, having all enjoyment, whatever the worldly things are needed, they have. But whenever, because they were empty from spirituality, they were not having the respect of the people, right? So therefore, I, got these cases connected. That on the one hand, that innovation on, the Apple की डेवलपमेंट क्या थी, एप्पल की इनोवेशन क्या थी, एप्पल इतना आगे निकल गया था अपने आईपैड बनाने में कि आपने उसमें लिखा है और आपने उसको पढ़ा भी है कि जो क्रिटिसाइज करने वाले लोग थे वो क्रिटिसाइज करते करते ही रहे, चूंकि सेल इतनी आगे निकल गई थी कि उनकी डिमांड वाज सुपरसीटेड द सप्लाई, कि सप्लाई उनकी कम हो गई थी। तो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट इज द लाइफ। एंड एनीवे किंजा, व्हाट अबाउट द थर्ड वन, जो केस था, उसको कुछ थोड़ा टच किया था आपने? हेलो, किधर? अच्छा, शी इज नॉट देयर। ओके, जवेरिया इज देयर। हाँ, जवेरिया, आर यू लिसनिंग मी? हैदर, आप क्या वो कनेक्शन ठीक हो गया कि नहीं हो गया? ओके, ओके। So, who is there right now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. जवेरिया से बात हो रही थी। जवेरिया इज नो, आप इधर, उसकी अटेंडेंस तो आ रही है, बट वेयर इज सी?
यस सर।
हाँ, आपने कौन कौन से केसेस लिखे हैं?
सर तीनों लिखे हैं।
तो कौन सा बेस्ट आप समझती हो कि आप मेरे से डिस्कस कर लें?
सर इनोवेशन।
ओके, गुड। इसका हालांकि मेरे नजदीक वो जो केस था वो मुश्किल था, एंड आई एम हैप्पी दैट यू picked that one. Okay, because the era is of technology, and I'm happy that. Okay, how did you attempt that one? You just read the case, or you went around as well, other than that case, and you searched the Google, and then you are able to answer the questions?
यस सर।
अच्छा, okay. अब बताएं आपने कैसे केस के सवालों के जवाब आपने कैसे लिखे, पहले लेट मी नो दिस वन।
सर सर्च किया था गूगल से और बुक की भी हेल्प ली थी।
ओके, और आपने पहले क्वेश्चन का जवाब क्या दिया था?
सर पहला क्वेश्चन है व्हाई हैज एप्पल बीन सो सक्सेसफुल, व्हाट आर एप्पल स्ट्रेंथ। Apple is one of the most successful companies in history. Apple began its rise to dominance in a range of technologies areas and established itself as the trendsetter in mobile device. One major reason for Apple's success is its dynamic, constantly changing business plan. Jobs intently studied the market and tried to ascertain the pulse of the audience. आगे एप्पल स्ट्रेंथ है. वन ऑफ द एप्पल स्ट्रेंथ biggest strength is that brand identity. Their products reflect beautiful design, well, simplicity and creativity. Apple is now one of the most recognizable brands in the world.
Okay. And how did you attempt the fourth one question? अब डायरेक्ट फोर्थ पे चली जाओ ना एंड रीड इट वो चौथा मेरा क्वेश्चन था वो क्या था?
Sir, fourth question था, how does the iPod 2 compete with the netbooks? What are the distinction the iPad 2 and typical netbooks?
ओके
इसका सर
हाँ उसका क्या जवाब दिया था?
सर इसका दिया था, Apple iPad has been rousing success and sales are exceed those of the earlier generation iPad. If you are among the ones who wish to get on the iPad bandwagon, consider its feature compared to a netbook. Marked as a tablet, media player plus PC, the Apple iPad Air 2 is a strange mix of features. It is equipped with the Wi-Fi 3G plus Bluetooth console with a dual-core 1GS.
And how, what was
It
your
has
experience?
storage.
Okay, Javeria, what was your experience when you read this case and then you started collecting the information from other sources? How was
सर
that?
अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस था.
क्या मसलन आपने और किस किस कंपनी को या किस किस को टच किया?
Hmm.
सैमसंग को देखा?
Yes, sir. iPad, netbooks.
हाँ, और कौन सी कंपनीज थी?
सर एप्पल का था उसमें.
हाँ हाँ गुड. और
सर iPad 1, iPad 2, 3 इनके बारे में सारी इंफॉर्मेशन दी हुई थी.
उसने एक बड़ी खूबसूरत बात लिखी हुई है. तो आईपैड का जो कंपटीशन था वो किसके साथ? It is mentioned that the iPad competition was not with the competitor companies. It was iPad 2 competed iPad 3. और iPad 3 यानी कि अब जो स्टीव जॉब्स का जो अपनी प्रोडक्ट थी उसका आपस में मुकाबला था कि मैं किस लिहाज से इसको आगे लेके जा सकता हूँ. यानी कि इतना आगे निकल गया था वो, उसके लिए कोई वो आपने पढ़ा है ना अभी कंपटीशन का, तो उसने compete किया तो उसने अपनी प्रोडक्ट के साथ compete किया. iPad 1, iPad 2, iPad 3, and then he kept on capturing the market. Was it that? Okay. Have you attempted a spirituality case? हेलो चवेरिया, किधर चली गई आप?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, have you attempted the case written on spirituality and global
Yes,
perspective?
sir.
हाँ, तो उसमें आपने क्या लेसन लिया कि spirituality, do you think it should be in the corporate sector and in the business scenario?
सर ज़्यादा अच्छा मुझे इनोवेशन का ही ज़्यादा पता था, बाकी इतनी इन्फॉर्मेशन नहीं आ रही है.
अच्छा, वो आपने जो सबमिट किया तो उसमें आपने फिर स्पिरिचुअलिटी पे सबमिट नहीं किया?
सर किया पर उसके मुझे सर एक वो सवाल नहीं मिल रहा था, उसका समझ नहीं आ रहा था.
ओके 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 ओके, नॉट गुड एनीवे. इसके बाद ये नजर आ गया मेरे ख्याल अभी ध्यान किया है. मोहसन असगर इज देयर? Arslan is not getting connected.
यस सर.
आपका कनेक्शन ठीक हुआ है कि नहीं हुआ?
यस सर।
तो अपना आपने केस सामने रखा हुआ है?
सर वो केस नहीं ओपन हो रहा, उसके अंदर प्रॉब्लम आ रही है, पता नहीं क्या हुआ, फाइल नहीं ओपन हो रही।
अच्छा, आपका अपना ही मसला, टेक्नोलॉजी इज वायरल टेक्नोलॉजी इसका
यस सर।
है जी।
सर फाइल वो पता नहीं ओपन हो रही है, लेकिन मतलब वर्डिंग सारी वो जिस अजीब ही ओपन हो रही है, समझ नहीं आ रही।
इधर तो आपका सही इधर तो आपका सही पहुंचा है।
यस सर, वही ओपन कर रहा हूँ लेकिन नहीं ओपन हो रही मेरे से।
चलो, मोशन इज देयर। मोशन को कोई, अच्छा फाद आ गया है। व्हाट अबाउट फाद? ओके, अगेन जॉइन मोशन, व्हाट इज द इशू विद यू? आर यू नॉट हियरिंग मी? So I am going to conclude right now. Just one person can be asked to come on. और उसके बाद फिर मैं इन्हीं की बेस के ऊपर आपको इवेल्युएट करूंगा. So the other is there. What should I say? चलो मैं आप लोगों को भेज दूंगा उसके ऊपर गूगल क्लासरूम पे जो आप लोगों ने टॉपिक्स हैं, जो आपने प्रोजेक्ट्स करने हैं. बट यू पीपल नॉट सेंड मी द ग्रुप्स यू हैव मेड. आप अपने ग्रुप जो हैं वो मुझे भेज दें. और एनीवे, इट वाज ए नाइस मीटिंग and see you inshallah next time. Okay, any question?
नो सर।
Okay, फिर Allah Hafiz and have a nice weekend.